When we walk through a park, a forest, or even a tree-lined street, our breathing slows down, our thoughts become quieter, and the body begins to relax. This feeling is not imagination or mood. It is a real biological response that has been measured and studied by science. Green means vegetation, and vegetation historically meant water, food, and shelter. Because of this deep association, the brain interprets green surroundings as low risk. As a result, activity in fear-related brain regions such as the amygdala decreases, and relaxation responses are activated. Green light falls within the wavelength range that the human eye processes with the least strain. When the eyes work more comfortably, the brain also experiences less tension. Scientific measurements show that time spent in green environments leads to a real reduction in stress hormones such as cortisol. Heart rate and blood pressure decrease as well. Urban environments constantly demand intense focus. Noise, advertisements, traffic, and fast-moving information keep the brain in a state of alert attention. Green environments work differently. They do not force concentration, but instead create a gentle, effortless form of attention. This phenomenon is known as the attention restoration effect, where the brain recovers from mental fatigue and regains clarity. Brain activity also changes in natural settings. Exposure to green environments increases alpha brainwaves, which are associated with calmness, creativity, and a sense of mental flow. Plants themselves contribute chemically to this calming effect. They release volatile compounds known as phytoncides into the air. These substances can soothe the nervous system and may support immune function. This effect is especially strong in forests, which explains why forest walks are often deeply relaxing. Green spaces also soften the physical environment. Vegetation absorbs noise, moderates temperature, and helps balance humidity. The body responds not only psychologically but physically to these more stable and comfortable conditions. For the brain, nature functions as a mental safety zone. Green environments signal low threat, and low threat allows relaxation. This is why anxiety decreases, focus improves, and emotional stability strengthens in natural settings. In contrast, cities exhaust us quickly because concrete surfaces, harsh lines, and constant noise keep the brain in a continuous warning state. Green environments switch that state off.